Hi there. For those of you that have been here for a while, you will know that when it comes to safety, we take that subject very seriously because you only get one pair of eyes if you're lucky. You only get one pair of ears if you're lucky. And this is the thing, not everyone has the privilege of being born with eyes and ears. Those of us that are born with these benefits that most people take for granted, we need to protect them. Protect them. Safety is key, and we should all be very thankful. Sometimes things go bad, even if you take precautions. And that's why we have some amazing news from a company that loves to raise the bar. And this time, they're doing it in the safety segment. It's all coming right up after this message from our sponsor, VCG Construction. Head on over to the merch store if you want to get yourself some hats, some safety glasses, earmuffs. It's like you can't get either of those in the merch store, but you can get a fly hoodie. There's a huge announcement coming from Milwaukee Tool. We're going to talk about that in a second. After I tell you that back in 2019, we had traveled to Milwaukee for their MPS event. When we reached our destination, not our final destination, we were met with two awesome people from Milwaukee Tool that gave us this PACKOUT box. Now, this is the thing. It wasn't new at the time. They were offering half PACKOUT organizer boxes back then. What was unique about this PACKOUT organizer box was it foretold the future. It was like a crystal ball. And if I had the forethought back then to pick up on what they were putting down, I would have seen today's press release. Literally, Milwaukee Tool decided that this was such a big hit at MPS for 2019, they went down that road to make a new line of PACKOUT boxes. This style PACKOUT box, this style PACKOUT box, they're now going to have stuff that's going to help you on the job site. Milwaukee Tool is once again adding to their PACKOUT modular storage system with two new PACKOUT First Aid kits, a 204-piece Class B Type 3 kit and a 76-piece Class A Type 3 kit. That would be in this box. Both kits are jam-packed with first aid essentials tailored to the most common injuries users encounter on the job site. These PACKOUT kits are included in the most versatile and durable modular storage system in the industry and are certified to the ANSI SEA Z308 1-2015 standard. Yeah, because that's easy to remember. If you need to know what standard these kits, not these kits, the kits comply to, scroll back just a second, put it on half speed, okay, and listen to it again. These new PACKOUT First Aid kits feature an impact-resistant body that keeps content safe from drops, bumps on the job site. The IP65 rated weather seals protect bandages, adhesives, antibiotics, and other essential medical supplies from rain and other job site debris. The first aid kit's no travel bin seals keep content secure and in their proper place by preventing shifting during transport. While the transport lids allow for easy identification of contents, heavy-duty latches and reinforced hinges ensure that contents within the kit stay contained and protected. For added functionality, the kits are equipped with a wall hanger so they can be easily mounted to walls, and a retro-reflective first aid stickers for easy identification. With the addition of the new PACKOUT First Aid kits, the Milwaukee PACKOUT modular storage system now has over 35 solutions for users to choose from to build out their custom storage solution, making PACKOUT the most versatile and durable modular storage system in the industry. People ask all the time, oh, PACKOUT's expensive. How come it's so expensive? Because somebody's got to take the hit initially, okay? Somebody's got to do the R&D. Somebody's got to invest the money to build these boxes. It's like, if you build it, they will come. Okay? Well, somebody's got to pay for all that, so you'll come. And when you come, you're going to pay for it, right? My point is that they keep innovating. They keep offering more. That takes R&D. And somebody's got to pay the scientists and the mad people in the lab and the engineers. Probably mostly just engineers, but you know, you got to have, I always picture people with like that, like a pair of magnifying glass eyeball things, and they're in a laboratory coming up with this stuff. I mean, somebody's got to pay their salary, or at least buy them peanut butter and jelly sandwiches so they could keep up their strength. Listen, there's got to be a lot of costs. Milwaukee keeps reinvesting into the platform, and that's why it's so successful. This is just another investment into PACKOUT, but also it's an investment into their users because they didn't have to offer first aid kits. Do you think Milwaukee really wants to sell Milwaukee branded bandages and stuff? I mean, you know, trauma kits? I don't know. Maybe they do. But you now have 2 more options that will fit onto your PACKOUT box. And if you like that, and smash the like button. Also, leave it down below. Will you be buying the first aid kits from Milwaukee? And once you go through all the Band-Aids in there, will you be refilling them with the Milwaukee branded Band-Aids, or will you just go and buy like Elsa Band-Aids or something, you know, from Frozen? You know what I mean? Will you put the Elsa I want to know. Leave it all below. With that, I want to say I appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Thanks a lot, everybody. We'll see you all on the next one.
Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here. See you later.